Welcome. Thank you for joining us here at the 2024 Hershey RV Show. Today we are excited to share with you the 2025 Keystone 316RLS Premium Fifth Wheel Hero Edition. The Hero Edition part of the name we will talk more about in a few minutes, but first let's talk about some of the specs and features this floor plan has to offer. The length of this fifth wheel is 35 feet 8 inches with an outside height of 13 feet 4 inches. The gross vehicle weight rating is 10,792 pounds. This unit sleeps 6 people and has a cargo carrying capacity of 2,108 pounds. Some features include 2 awnings that cover the majority of the entry side, a queen-size bed comes standard with the option for king, a booth dinette, or the optional freestanding dinette, dual bathroom vanity sinks, a 16 cubic foot electric fridge, and 2 30-pound propane tanks. This RV has a 75-gallon freshwater tank, a 76-gallon gray water tank, and a 38-gallon black water tank. To keep you cool during the warm season, this unit comes equipped with a Furrion Quick Cool 15,000 BTU duct bedroom AC and a Furrion 18,000 BTU chill cube. To keep you warm in the cooler months, this RV has a 5,500 BTU electric fireplace and a 30,000 BTU duct furnace. Well, enough about the specs. Let's talk about the Cougar Hero Edition line of RVs this year and what the program is about, as well as the exclusive features on these units.
I'm Scott Taylor, product manager of the Cougar division at Keystone RV. I'm standing outside the Cougar display here at the Hershey RV show. We're actually standing right in front of the new Hero Edition. So the Hero Edition actually started out as a concept unit. I've got an amazing production facility where once a year we take a trailer and we try to come out with some new features that maybe we implement into future product or what have you. And matte paint was one of those features. And we have a midnight edition that's super successful already with our full body paint Cougars. But this one was a little unique in the fact that we wanted to try different colors. So we tried the matte green finish. Well, again, it started out as a concept unit, but the minute you see it, you almost have to go up and touch it and feel it, and it just completely changed there. So we started to brainstorm, well, what else could we do with this? And it was actually my direct boss had the idea of, let's reach out to maybe somebody like Wounded Warrior. Well, the more we dug into it, we were just blown away with Wounded Warrior organization. And we were fortunate enough to be able to partner up with them. So from September 1st to the end of August next year, every single Cougar Hero Edition that we sell, Keystone's going to donate $1,000 to Wounded Warrior Project. And with this, you know, with some of my other packages, you know, we made mandatory some extra features, and this one we didn't. We wanted more people to be able to afford it. So this also does come in every single full-size Cougar lineup. So we have 7 different floor plans, and if you make it out to the Hershey RV show, I've got 6 of those 7 floor plans here. All right, so starting with the exterior, the first thing, of course, is you're going to see that matte paint finish. Again, it is, there's nothing else like that in the industry. So you almost have to come out, you got to feel it, you got to touch it, because it just looks so different. It's so such a clean look. This is my 316 RLS. We got some awesome features other than just the matte green finish. We've got one of the best storage places right here. We call this our Built Tough Cougar storage compartment. And what I mean by that is just all the toy hauler flooring in here, how clean, how big and spacious this is. The fact that we added awning, exterior awning switches out here too. So now you can just, you're outside, you don't want to go inside to put that awning in, you can do it right here. Even the hole that we put this grommet here, so if you want to put a TV out here or plug some things in, you can actually run the wire here, be able to plug it there, and still close your slam baggage door if you'd like to. So functionality is pretty important to us. Cougar has been around for over 26 years now, and we are known for that professional grade, that built tough. We're built for those experienced fifth wheel owners, and that's what we pride ourselves on. And coming around the exterior on the paint trailers, anything that we do in the full body paint, we also have the frameless windows, which give it an awesome look, plus the all glass entry door.
Yeah, that's nice.
And the the Hero Edition also comes with slide toppers as well. Just kind of gives it a little bit more black on there, that awesome accent. Mm-hmm. Now, one of the things that we did last year, 2 big important things. One, we went to H-rated tires. Okay, we use Goodyear endurance tires on the rest of my half-ton Cougar travel trailers and fifth wheels. But on the full size, a little bit bigger fifth wheel, we went all the way up to H-rated, which has steel in the tread and steel in the sidewalls too. That tire actually comes with an 8-year warranty on it as well. But the cool thing that we added, and if you think about this, your car or your truck has ABS. Shouldn't your trailer? Every single Cougar travel trailer and fifth wheel has ABS as a standard feature. And it's gonna be like that forever going forward.
Good deal.
Okay, so that's some of the exterior features that we have. Now I'd love to show you some of the inside stuff as well.
Sure.
Okay, so we are in a traditional rear living, posing slides. You've got seating, theater seats here, sofa in the back. Again, very traditional floor plan. Anybody that builds a fifth wheel builds something very similar to this. But some of the unique features that we have over the competition is just the size of this island, number one. And if you come around here, this nice little feature as well with the dual trash can storage, maybe one for recycling, what have you. We also have the pull-out paper towel holder and more storage behind there.
Good deal.
Behind you is our hutch coffee spot bar area plus our huge pantry. And we just incorporated a magnet into this, so when you open this up, a light actually comes on for you as well.
Okay.
The new addition this year is over here. I call this our utility pantry. Why is it a utility pantry? It might not be your everyday use stuff, but it's just super functional.
Oh, nice.
So this pulls out here. You've got tons of storage here, but then you've also got a spot. I put an outlet here too. So you've got a spot if you want to hang a cordless vacuum here, you can do that. It's tucked out of the way. Or maybe some longer coats or a broom, what have you. Again, utility closet.
Nice.
Okay. Some other key features that we offer that a lot of brands do not in my price point is a ceiling fan. With all of these windows here, maybe you're camped in an area where you do not need the air conditioner, and maybe you're even off grid. This actually is a 12-volt ceiling fan. One of my favorite features, really circulate that air. Going around here, I actually developed this. We partnered up with a supplier 2 years ago, and we've just been working on dialing this in. Some campers, they don't really want this area at all. Maybe they want to put a desk there, a hutch there, if you will. So we developed this mechanism that you can pull this out, turn this, and now you can, if it's two people and you want to sit there and stare out, maybe you got an awesome view.
Very
right?
nice.
Or if you just want to use it as a desk, you've got workspace there.
Yeah, I like that feature.
And that was on our 2024s as well. Brand new for 2025 is now the ottoman with storage underneath as well, that you can move around and move into the living room if you'd like to.
All right, very nice.
Coming up to the bedroom, a couple new features in here as well. Just added an LED light there. You still get your stackable washer and dryer if you want, or combination unit, however you want to do it. Okay. We've got the nice little hidden storage feature here. And awesome shelves with outlets. The outlets are behind. You've got nice shelves there for what have you, cell phones, bottled waters, whatever you'd like. All of my Cougar full-size fifth wheels come with 2 air conditioners. The main AC is actually the 18,000 BTU Furrion Chill Cube, which is amazing. I did a video on full body paint versus non-paint, and just to see what the temperature readings would be. It was a full day test on a 95-degree day. It's amazing how that air conditioner keeps up.
That's awesome.
Okay. And this one, of course, is fully ducted down into that area as well. The last feature that we did on 2025 is we went with dimmable lights in all your main areas. I absolutely love that feature.
Yeah, that's a good one to have.
Yeah. Appreciate you taking the time to come out and see me and come see the Cougar Hero Edition. Again, you can get that in any of my Cougar full-size fifth wheels. This one happens to be the 316 that we shot the video on today. Again, my name's Scott Taylor. I'm the product manager for Cougar at Keystone RV.
Thanks for showing us around. To watch more videos like this one, click on one of these videos. See you on the next one.
Hi, Tackles the Squirrel here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone.